Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's our Leetcode Daily challenge problem is largest number. So what does the question state? You are given with this list of non-negative integers, nums, and you have to arrange them such that they forms the largest number and then you have to return it. Now since this result may be very large, so you need to return the string instead of integers. If you see this particular example, there are two values 10 and 2. Okay, now you have to arrange these values in such a way that you got the maximum value. You're like, okay, so the number of possible ways of arranging these two numbers are 10 plus 2 and 2 plus 10. And if we concatenate them in string format, then 102 and 210. Okay, so 210 is greater than 102. That means I will return 210. Okay, here 3, 30, 34, 5 and 9. So if I concatenate these values in such a way that 9 comes, then 5, then 34, then 3 and then 30, then this will basically give us the maximum answer. So as we have to return these values in string format, what can I do is I can make one another vector, and there basically I will store all these values in the string format. Okay, so here I have taken this string vector. I am traversing through this nums vector, and I am basically converting these nums of I value into the string, and I am storing it into this v vector. Okay, so this v vector contains all these values but in string format. Now what I will do is, the first approach that comes into our mind by looking at this particular example is that we can sort this vector v in descending order. Okay, because uh, descending order would sort in such a way that this 9, like it will sort according to the first value of this first character of this string. Okay, so 9, like 9 is the first character and is the maximum among all of these, so 9 will come first, then 5 will come first, then 3, 30 and 34. All these first character in all these values are same, but the second character is maximum of 34, so 34 will come. Then 30 is first character, like second character of 30 is greater, so 30 will come like at the fourth index, and then this 3. Okay, and then what will be our idea, that we will take one string variable and then we will basically uh, pushback or like concatenate all these values in this descending order only and store it into the string, and then I will simply return string. Okay, but this sorting in descending order and then like storing in the string will give us wrong answer in some cases. So what are those cases? In this example, as only we can see, let me first take you to the whiteboard. So yes, suppose these are the two values, okay, 3 and 30, and 30, like this is our vector, and suppose these values are of in string format. Okay, now if I sort it in descending order, it becomes 30 and 3, right? And now what is our idea, that I will like take one string as variable and I will store all these values in such a format in this descending order only. Okay, so 303 would be our answer. But if in this if you have arranged these two values in this order, that 3 would have come first and then 30, then we have got the answer 330. And as you can see, 330 is greater than 303, so this would be our right answer. But by using this descending sorting, I am getting 303. Okay, so basically this idea may fail in some fails in some cases. It will work for the this different character values, but when the first character is same, then in these cases it might give wrong answer. Okay, so what I can do to solve this particular problem, I will take one comparator function. Okay, here also we are like we have to do sorting, so we have to do sorting in such a way that, suppose if I'm sending these two integers in this comparator function, okay, these two string values, sorry, and then what I have to do, basically I have to arrange them in such a way in this v vector that we have made, that it gives the maximum values. Okay, so maximum value we will get when we concatenate with both these values. Okay, so and whatever the value is maximum, that would be our answer. So 3 and 30, if I concatenate them, there are two ways of concatenating, that's 3 plus 30 and 30 plus 3. Okay, so 3 plus 30 would give us 330, and 30 plus 3 would give us 303. Which one is greater? 330 is greater, so it will return 1. So that means it will tell this sorting function that arrange these two values in such a way that a comes first and then b comes afterwards. Okay, and suppose if it returns 0, that means it will b will come first, then after that a will come. Okay, in such a way. And then we will do the same thing, that I have taken this s variable. I am storing this all these values in this s. Okay, basically concatenating them, and then I am making this extra check if s of 0 is equal to 0. Like the first character is 0 or not. If the first character is 0, that means all the values in this particular string is 0. So suppose the question in this nums vector, it is given like 0 and 0. So the answer would be return like a string containing two zeros. Okay, but two zeros and one zero is equivalent, so this will give us error. Okay, so that's why if multiple zeros are stored in the string and all are zeros, then I will return single zero. Okay, and otherwise I will return simple string. Now if I run it, yes, it is running fine, and if I submit it, yes, it is accepted. So hope you have understood this problem, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.